Hello, welcome to Vicky's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are going to make methi aloo. For this recipe, we're going to need boiled and cut in cubes potatoes, methi leaves, which is fenugreek leaves, sliced onion, sliced tomatoes, finely chopped green chili pepper, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, and ghee. So heat is on. We are going to add ghee in there. You can use oil if you want to, but I like ghee because it enhances the flavor. We can add a black pepper whole. We're not using too many spices in this because methi has its own taste and flavor. If you're adding up so many spices, you will lose the actual taste. So I'm adding a onion, if you don't want it to boil your potatoes, you can put the raw in there. You don't have to be, but I like the way if I half boiled it and then I added it looks very good, and also takes less time and tastes delicious because once you put the methi in there, sometimes it burns. We're adding chili pepper, saute for a little bit, adding a salt, when you cook it you feel the aroma. Once we add the methi leaves in there, it's gonna be entire difference. Now you can smell the ghee in there. And okay, so we're not making golden brown, these are because I like to see this way so you can have a little bit crunch on it. Adding the tomatoes, I can tell you the aroma in the kitchen. Once you cook it, you will see it, you will feel it if you are cooking in a ghee. But if not, that's totally fine. You can use oil. I sometimes use mustard oil, which makes it a little kind of extra spicy, but today I'm not. Adding a turmeric powder, so tomatoes are a little bit tender, not too much, so we're adding fenugreek leaves. I washed them because sometimes they're dry and they leave maybe a little bit dust in there, so I wash, and also it's make them a little bit softer. So after you put this in, you don't cook them forever because we're gonna cook with the potatoes. Just for couples, maybe less than a couple minutes. Okay, because we want to cook with the potatoes so potato can get that flavor. Okay, these potatoes are half done, it's not fully cooked, so it looks very good and aroma in the kitchen is wonderful. And we're gonna cook it, lower the heat for a minute and cook it covered so that can get the flavor from each other. And also it's a little uncooked so they can cook fully. They're looking very pretty though. Okay, we're gonna cover it and cook it for a little bit and I will be back. Let's check it. You can smell it. We're gonna wait a little more because our potatoes were not fully cooked. I want them to be cooked better, so we're gonna wait for a couple more minutes. Okay, let's check it. Our potatoes are ready, looks like. So we're gonna turn on the heat a little bit high now, so we can get a like dry look in here. Otherwise it's ready. I did not turn on high because we want to cook the potato, and also if you cook on high heat, our methi or fenugreek leaves burn, so that's not gonna be taste good. So now is the perfect time to higher a little bit, and then see, nothing is on the bottom of the pan. It's almost ready and we're good. Actually, not almost, it's already done. So let's plate them. Okay, here is our methi aloo ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And click on the bell icon to get notification for my new video. Thanks again for watching. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care of yourself.